Hey, check out this pickup, affectionately known as Coppertone. 1949 Ford F1 custom show truck just in here, unique, especially in classics. And as I walk around, you'll start to understand why this is affectionately known as Coppertone. Originally a western South Dakota truck, was restored back in the 90s. There'll be a few magazines that go along with this that this truck was pictured in. Was painted and scalloped in 2004. It's actually a 56 Chevy bronze custom mix, and there is a paint can from when it was done, and the formula, recipe if you will, on getting that copper paint. And then a House of Colors root beer scallop throughout the hood and front area here. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can kind of look at what I'm talking about, see the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, there are a few spots. We got a little corrosion. I pictured these up too in the still pictures, so you'll be able to see it. So it could use a little bit of TLC if you want to bring it back to its former glory, or drive it the way it is. It still shows well, looks good. Underneath the hood, 239 flatty, so 239 cubic inch flatty, board 30 over, has an RV cam, Holley 390 carb, Mallory Unilite ignition, and a Walker radiator. And we're gonna pop the hood, start it up, let you hear it run before we finish up this video too. We'll check out the interior. I want to show you a few other things there. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Obviously, the chrome rims and it's riding on Diamondback wide white wall radials. They're new, only a few miles on those. This truck was actually driven to us for consignment by a good customer of ours. We sold another vehicle for. Lives an hour and a half away. Got in the truck, drove it up. So it's one turn, the key, get in and go. Custom bed cover, and here's where we start to see some of the Coppertone influences show up and where it got its namesake. There'll be some more paraphernalia that go with it also. I'll show you that here in just a little bit. Once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. What you're also going to see is a little custom write-up that the previous owner did of when this truck was painted, what was done to it, some of the things. The date thing, he did make one mistake. It says 2014. It's 2004. So when you're looking through that, if you see where it says the year 2014, it's actually 2004. But it will tell you who did what, some of the build information. I've kind of highlighted on a little bit. This does have a T5 5-speed transmission, GPS speedometer. There's also an extra pair of Speedway motor water pumps that'll be in the rear. I like the spotlights up here. What a cool look, great color too. All right, check out the interior. Coppertone theme carried throughout. Custom sewn seats. Correct color piping to match the exterior of the truck, as well as highlights up on the headliner, the visors, switches. All right. Gauge cluster. And again, GPS speedometer. We have a tachometer over here. And hey, some little show paraphernalia and a little more of the Coppertone theme. We're going to include the t-shirt and the Coppertone beach blanket also. Custom pinstriping, shifter knob. Let's go ahead and fire it up. And you can see speedometer, water temp, that was a cold start obviously, fuel gauge, tach, oil pressure, voltage on the center here. Alright, make sure we are in neutral. Door closes nicely, as you can see. Slip around the back so you hear it run. I guess sounds like you'd expect a smooth running Ford flathead V8 to sound. I love those wide whites on there, those chrome wheels. Alright, I'm going to slip up here. I want to pop this hood open, take a look at the engine bay, and we'll wrap this up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Alright, there's the hood popped, engine bay. VA, electric fan, smooth running flathead. There you go, Coppertone, 1949 Ford F1, specialty street rod pickup. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.